Spring is in the air. Happy Friday. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are in the family room and we're going to be adding some subtle spring touches to these shelves beside the mantle. Okay, so I'm ready to add some subtle spring touches up here to the shelves. Now, I was inspired yet again by Dawn over at Ginger Jar Lane. She had this bow on her wall. I don't know what you call it, embellishment. And so I went in search on Amazon to see if I could find something. Really no cigar. And look what I did find though. I found this adorable bow. Check it out. Isn't that sweet? It is so sweet. But your girl was in a hurry and didn't check the dimensions. So when it came, I was expecting it to maybe be this big. No, it's this big. It's tiny, but I thought, you know what? I'm gonna make it work. I bought it, I'm gonna use it, by golly. So I came up with something and I think it looks adorable. So if you like the artwork, I'm gonna show you, and you like this adorable, sweet, sweet bow, you can do the same thing and I'll link it below if it's still available. So this is the artwork I got on Amazon. Take a look at the frame, the beautiful artwork. It does not come with glass, but I am okay with that because more times than not, if I have glass or plexiglass, there's always a glare and it's hard to see the artwork. So I love the fact that you can see the artwork, it's framed, it's got the beautiful matting, it's gorge. I'm going to place this on a plate holder. And then this wall art has a little bit of a ridge there. So I'm just gonna set this up top like this. Are you seeing my vision? Almost looks like it's a part of the wall art. It works, it works. Not the way I intended it to, but it works and it's cute. I'm going to start right here. So the other night, my daughter went out on the front porch and she's like, Mom, you have a package. And I said, well, that's strange. I didn't order anything. Shocker. And to my surprise, it was from my dear friend, Lucy. Oh, Lucy, thank you so much. I absolutely love her. She is adorable. Look at the little button and the cute ribbon. There's two different kinds of ribbon there. And of course, you know, I love my black and white check. Classic, traditional, love it. So I'm gonna place this sweet little bunny next to the picture and add some greenery as if she's sitting in it. Sort of jumping around, but I bought this on Amazon. It comes with two, I believe, but I like how it matches the frame. So I might try to put the bunny in here and then add some greenery. I don't know. I'm gonna go up top and try it out. So I have the smaller version and I have a little topiary. And what I thought I would do is I'm going to go diagonal with this one and then put the topiary in it. On Amazon. It comes in a set of 2, very reasonably priced. And the great part about it is it has LED lights. Look at that. Let me turn this off. Isn't this cute for spring? I love it. You could tie a bow around it, a ribbon, can drop a cute little tassel. There are so many things you can do to jazz this up. So I'm gonna place it and then see if I wanna add ribbon, not sure. I have some leftover ribbon from the other day. I don't know, I'm of the frame of mind that ribbon makes everything better. Just jazzes a piece up. It adds a little bit more visual interest. And if you're a little extra like I am, do it. Don't hesitate. So next, I have this sweet little duck that I found on Amazon. So cute. I don't know why, but I have been into duck decoys, mallard ducks, geese, you name it. When spring comes around, you definitely hear these guys. Very vocal, but so cute. So I'm just gonna set this little guy beside my topiary. Okay, now I need to figure out what to do up top. I need a little something right there. I got this little lamp from Walmart and I got it with the intentions of going with that picture, which I really thought it looked so cute. But I'm gonna be honest with you, really cute design, but they're garbage. They really are. These do not let off a lot of light, in my opinion. Either that or I got a bad one. But I'm not happy with these. And the light in here, it's not a real warm light like I like. Yeah, not a fan of these. So I'm not gonna use these in my design. I had to, and I'm gonna scrap them, I think. I don't know, we'll see. I might just put it up there because it's cute, but it's really not functional, in my opinion. In my opinion. I have these 2 glass candle holders that I got from, where'd I get them? Home Goods. And I have some succulent picks. And I thought, what if I just put them in here and let them dangle? It sort of gives it an interesting look. It gives me my pop of green. Glass is pretty, it's reflective. It might look good up there. So I'm gonna put one tall one and one smaller one. myself, I am going to go in with this picture. Really pretty. Another plate holder, and then another cute little bow. I'm going in with another one with some ribbon. So I got these books thrifting, I don't know, a year or two ago. I don't even know what those books are. I just like the color. And now I'm gonna go in with this. This is from Hobby Lobby. I just put a little plant in it, and we're tying the bows in with the look. Next, we're going in with a pop of color. These are those scalloped planters you can get at Walmart. I'll link them in the product section if they're available. And then I got 2 faux picks, and they're yellow. I personally love yellow. So if you're not a yellow person, you can choose florals that you like that go with your style, pop them in one of these planters, and you have a cute look. But what I'm going to do is take a wood riser and elevate one. I'm gonna put this up top, elevate this one, put another one down below. Now that I'm popping in yellow, I probably need to pop a little bit of yellow on the other side. So we'll see where I go with this. So I found that on Amazon recently, I don't know, several weeks ago, but it is so cute. And I love how it looks just sitting beside the bunny. Okay, now I want to add some color right here, and because we have yellow up here, and because we have a pop of yellow up here, I am going to add some yellow up here. So I could go elaborate. I was thinking of adding in some grapevine and add it to the yellow flowers, but I'm gonna keep it simple. So I'm going in with this green garland that I got on Amazon. You get 2 in a pack, and I'm just gonna lay it across the mantle. So easy.
Like I was falling through the air. No one but myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of what we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make. And I can feel the tension every time we're close.
Okay, now for many of you, this is gonna be way too loud, way too bright. But I love bright, I love color. Now I'm just gonna lay this, I think it's for Cynthia, if I'm saying it correctly, I don't know. I only have four stems. And this is my base, and then this will be my pop of color.
What can I do? What can I say? Please make it undone. What you did to me, I was so caught up when you happened to me. Make it undone, 'cause my heart is breaking. What can I do? What can I say? Please make it undone. What you did to me, what you did to me, what you did to me.
So do you see how subtle that is? It's very, very subtle. Although we have the pops of color, I didn't want anything that's gonna obstruct, TV watching. That wouldn't be fun if you had a whole bunch of things sticking up while you're trying to watch a movie or something. Now, I could certainly add in more pops of color. I don't know, but for now, I'm just loving the yellow. Maybe as we get closer to Easter, I'll pop in some of these colors. Maybe some coral, some pink, I don't know. Well, that will wrap up my video for today. I thank you so much for joining me. And if you liked today's video, please give it a big thumbs up because it truly does help my channel. I want to wish you all a fabulous weekend. Spring is just around the corner and the temps are rising. So I'm excited to get out in the yard, enjoy some sun on my face. Have a fabulous weekend. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye, friends.
We'll be right back.